Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to solve some more previous year questions of JEE mains, and this is going to be the last lecture of PYQ as far as sequence series is concerned for JEE. And yeah, I know I have not covered the 2019-2020 and means the online examinations like of JEE mains questions, the recent one. I will cover it once I complete the syllabus. So this number of questions I have available for me, it's available. So we are going to start this session, but before starting, if you have not subscribed the IIT Omega Pi Gate channel till now, please subscribe it, and if you like our content, hit a like button and share it with your friends so that they can also understand mathematics and enjoy it. So the first question which we are going to encounter is this 25th question. For any three positive real numbers a comma b and c, 9 into 25 a square plus b square bracket plus 25 into c square minus 3ac bracket equals to 15b bracket 3a plus c, then a comma b and c are in GP, b comma c and a are in GP, b comma c and a are in AP, and a comma b and c are in AP. So these type of question we have did, means we have solved this repeatedly about 6 to 7 times, these type of questions in the problem solving course and also in the lecture. So what we have to do here, a simple formula which is used, which you study in class 10th. If first you should try yourself all the problems. I never mentioned that you should solve before I try. Means when I solve, you should try at least once. If you are not able to solve, then you should see the video and then understand the concept. Here it will be nothing but one simple concept will be used, one simple formula which will be used, but let's just, if you can understand it, it will be quite good. If you cannot understand, then fine, you can see the solution. So the solution is like this, that when the formula, the general formula, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is nothing but 1 by 2 a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square. If you know this formula, you can get this answer for sure. Just you need to observe the things a little bit and you will short get the answer. So here I want to get this thing. I know I can write the given thing as like this: 5a the whole square plus b square. I will need to convert into a square b square, 5 square. This I can write as 3 square. This will be c square minus 3ac. This will be 15 b 3a plus c. If I multiply, what I am left with, if I multiply throughout, I will be left with 15 a the whole square, and here I will be left with 3b the whole square. Here I will be left with 5c the whole square. Here I will be left with it will be 15a into c, because 15a is attached with this, so I know 15 should be attached with a. My a is nothing but here 15a, my b is nothing but 3b, or my c is c only. If I multiply it here, 15a and 3b plus lastly it will be what, 15b right, 15b into c. So b is what, 3 into 5, then c is 5. So c is what, c is not c, here it is c is 5c, so I can write it as b is 3b and 5c. Now if I move all these things here, I will be left with 15a the whole square plus 3b the whole square plus 5c the whole square minus 15a into so here, that since it is 5 square, I will multiply 1 5 with this 3, so it will become 15a, and 1 5 will be there with this, so it will be 50a into 5c. Here we have minus this will move here 15a 3b minus there will be no this thing, here will be 3b 5c. so this is our thing. Now you can easily see the formula is matching. Now we can just substitute the things. 15a minus 3b the whole square plus 3b minus 5c the whole square plus 5c minus 15a the whole square should be equal to 0, giving me finally 15a equals to 3b equals to 5c. Now you can consider each of them separately. That is 15a equals to 3b, 3b equals to 5c, and 15a equals to 5c. Here you will get b in terms of a, which is 5a. Here you will get c in terms of a, which is 3a. Now a will be a, b I can write as 5a, and c I can write as 3a. Divide throughout by a, you will get 1, 5, 3. You can clearly see they are in AP. They are in AP. Okay, so which will be true for ABC also? So ABCA or ABC are in AB and C are in AP. So this is our answer. Hope you have understand the problem properly. This was just an application of formula which you have studied in class 10. So your basics should be strong to get this type of question to be solved in the examination. Now the next question which we are going to do is this. Let a comma b and c belongs to R if f of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c is such that a plus b plus c equals to 3 and f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y plus xy for all x comma y belonging to R. Then summation n equals to 1 to 10 f of n is equal to 220, 255, 330, 165, 190. Now since f of x ax square plus bx plus c is a symmetric function, okay, we will discuss this feature when we study function chapter. Symmetric function, we will use this feature, okay, when we means this type of functions. Okay, for now just observe that it is a symmetric function, just know this. So instead of solving this question with sequence and series, you should solve this question with function, okay, because sequence and series is a long method to solve this question and it is a bit time consuming. Okay, so I will not suggest you to solve that method. Yeah, I will tell you the process. You have to get f1, f2, f3 and so on till fn. Okay, try to get the sn. Okay, from the when you place the sum in the format of sn, you will able to predict the tn. When you are able to predict the tn, you will apply the summation thing, okay, which will give you sum of 1 to 10 terms. But as far I am concerned, I am going to solve this question with function, which will be, I will substitute here x plus y I want, and here it will be x plus y the whole square plus b into x plus y plus c. So this f of x plus y should be equal to this, since they have mentioned this relation. So a, I will open this x square plus 2xy plus y square bx plus by plus c should be equal to what? F of x will be what? Ax square plus bx plus c. F of y will be what? Ay square plus by plus c, and lastly it will be xy, which was given. So what we are left with is finally, if I multiply this thing, this will are cancelling out, these are cancelling out, these are cancelling out, c is also cancelling out, and one c is left. So we are finally able to get a will also cancel out this and this. Okay, only 2axy, okay, and this will also cancel out with this. Only 2axy is left and c plus xy is left. Now by comparing I can say 2a equals to 1, giving me a equals to 1 by 2 and c equal to 0. Now I got a and c value. Can I substitute this value in this equation? So when I substitute these values, I have 1 by 2 plus 0 plus b equals to 3, giving me b equals to 3 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5 by 2. Now I got this relation. Now f of x will be what? If I substitute a, b and c value, it will be x square by 2 plus 5x by 2, which will be x square plus 5x by 2. Now what I want summation. I want what? Let me get the page. Now what we want is summation f of, okay, n from n equals to 1 to 10. I will take 2 common. N equals to 1 to 10 x square. 5 summation n equals to 1 to 10 x. If I apply this thing, I will be left with n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. My summation value is from 1 to 10. I will substitute here 10, and here it will be n into n plus 1 by 2 into 5 is there. The moment I substitute here 10, I will be left with 10, 11, 21 by 6, and here 5, 10 into 11. If I take 10 into 11 common, I will be left with, divided by 2, I will be left with 21 by 6 plus 5. This will be what? 7. This will be 2, giving me finally, this will cancel out 5, so it will be 55. This will be 7 plus 10 upon 2, giving me finally 55 into 17 by 2. So let me check the thing. Okay, so here we are getting some random integer. Is there we are doing some calculation mistake? Here it will be 2, right? So here this will be 2, so I don't need to do this step. I can directly write this as 7 plus 5 2l upon 2, which will give me 55 into 6, which will give me my final answer as 330. Okay, so second is the answer. Okay, hope you have understood each and every step how we used function, okay, to solve this question. If you have used sequence series, it would be a time consuming process, okay, means probability of making a mistake would increase. I mean that both the methods are right, but this method is more easy and you need more time in exams, so to attempt those questions which are tough and which will improve your rank. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is this question which we are going to solve. So the question says, let A be the sum of the first 20 terms and B be the sum of the first 40 terms of the series 1 square plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 4 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 6 square and so on. If B minus 2A equals to 100 lambda, then lambda is equals to 496, 232, 248, 464. And this question has appeared in JEE Mains 2018. So here you can observe the terms, okay, even position terms means 2 square, 4 square, they are repeated twice. So what I can do one thing, I can keep them separately. Okay, so if I do this, I will be left with this. Okay, this will be one term till n square, and there will be one other series of 2 square, 4 square, okay, and like this, and it will go on till what? N by 2. Okay, there will be only n by 2 terms, even terms from n by 2 the whole square. Sorry, no, it will go till n square. Okay, we don't know whether n is even or, okay, how many terms they have considered. Okay, they have told 40 terms. Okay, sum of 40 terms. It will go till n square, right? It will go, yes, it will go till n square. Now what? Sum of square of even, okay, sum of square of n natural number is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and here I will take 2 square common, which will give me 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. Here if I take n 2 square common, it will be nothing but n by 2 the whole square. So what will be my final answer? It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, same. Here it will be sum of square of even natural number, so it will be here 2 square into n by 2 bracket n by 2 plus 1 here when we apply 2n plus 1, this will become n plus 1 by 6. If I solve this, I will be left with n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 and n into n plus 2 into n plus 1 by 6, giving me finally n into n plus 1 by 6 bracket 2n plus 1 plus n plus 2. Here we have n into n plus 1 by 6 bracket 3n plus 3, giving me finally, I will take 3 outside, which will cancel out, and n into n plus 1 the whole square by 2. Okay, so this is the sum which we are getting. Now we want sum of first 40 terms, sum of first 40 terms or 20 terms, sum of first 40 terms. Okay, sum of 40 terms, what it will be? It will be sum of the first 40 terms of the series. If I want 40 terms, it will be nothing but S40 will be what? S40 A be the sum the first 20 term and B be the sum of the first. Okay, so A is the sum of first 20 term and B is the sum of 40 terms. So if I try to get S20, it will be nothing but 20 into 21 square by 2, which will be something like 10 into 21 square. While if I get S40, it will be nothing but 40 into 41 the whole square by 2, which will be nothing but 20 into 41 the whole square. Let me get the next page. What I am left with here is that here they have told B minus 2A. So instead of B, they have told that B sum of 40 terms. This will be the B value and this will be the A value. If I solve this, what I left with 20 into 41 square. Okay, into 21 minus 21 square, giving me finally 20. I will apply A square minus B square, which will give me 20 into 62. Finally we are left with 400 into 62, which will be nothing but, okay, 400 into 62, or okay, we should write it in 100 format. Okay, so 100 into 248. So my lambda value, okay, is nothing but 248. Okay, so 248 is our answer, which is the third. Okay, so hope you have understand this problem properly. Now let's move on to the next problem, which is the last problem of JEE Mains previous year question, which is this problem. Let me read the question. Let A1, A2 and A3 and so on A49 be in AP such that summation k equals to 0 to 2L A4k plus I equals to 41b and A9 plus A49 equals to 66 if A1 square plus A2 square and so on till A17 square equals to 140m, then m is equal to 33, 66, 68, 34. Okay, this question has appeared in JEE Mains 2018. Now what they have telling that summation A4k plus 1k equals to 0 to 2L equals to 416. If I open this, I will be left with A1, A5, okay, and A9 and so on till A49. Okay, since 2L is mentioned, so 416, it will be equal to 416. Now can I get the sum of this? Yes, it will be nothing but in AP and 416 is this sum. So let's get the sum, and here how many terms are there? 13 terms. From 0 it is starting till 12. So 13 term by 2. I know the first term A1, I know the last term, so I don't need to use the bigger font formula. So what I am getting finally is A plus A. I will A plus 48D equals to 64, giving me A plus 24D equals to 32. This is my first equation. Now I know A9 plus A43 equals to 66. Okay, so when I substitute the values A plus 8D, okay, using Tn, A plus 42D, it will be nothing but 66, giving me A plus 25D equals to 33. Okay, so this is the second equation. Now I will simultaneously solve first and second equation. So solving 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get what we get. We get, if I subtract this one, okay, I will be left getting a equals to 8 and b equals to 1. So I got this. Now I need to find what? I will need to find this value, a1 square plus a2 square till a17 square. So if I try to substitute and get the values, 140m should be equal to, a1 will be what? a1 will be nothing but 8 square, and a2 will be, since d is 1, so it will be 9 square and 10 square until 17, means 17 term starting from 8 will be nothing but 24 square. Now to solve this, we will add and subtract the remaining terms. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. Okay, we will add the remaining terms till 7 square and then subtract them. Also 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on till 7 square. Now I can apply sum of square of natural numbers. So this is 24. So we will apply directly 24 into 25 plus 49 upon 2 minus, here it is 7, so it will be 7 into 8 into 15, giving me finally, here it will be what? It will be 4900 minus 140, giving me finally 140 minus 35 minus 1. So our final answer is 140 into 34, which is okay. So, and now we want to compare this with the given thing, which is 140 into m. If I compare it, my m value is nothing but 34, which is 4th. So 4th is the answer. Hope you have understood each and every step of this solution, and hope you have enjoyed solving the JEE Mains previous year questions of sequence and series. And from the next session we are going to start with the JEE advanced question. Till then, take care. Okay, if you like our contents, share it with your friends. Thank you.